Welcome back. In today's video, our AC on our 2015 F250 is blowing cold air, just not very good. And we have spent a lot of time in the desert, and we're in the oil field with now dusty roads and stuff. And so I believe the condenser coil is clogged up. So I'm going to show you a quick fix so you ain't got to remove the whole dash on your truck. So let's see what we got. Okay, so now we're in the truck. You can see the AC is on, max AC and recirculate. I put this napkin in front of it. You see it's not really blowing out that good. But what it is blowing out is cold air. So let me show you how to get to where I'm going to fix it at. Okay, so you got to open your glove box, and this side right here by the passenger side door, you push like so, and it lets it drop all the way down. And right here, this is the condenser box right there. So let me show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so I went to Lowe's and I got a 2 1/8 inch hole saw, and I'm going to drill it right there. And let's see how this works. Okay, so that was a success right there. You can see the back of the coils. What I'm going to do first is I got a compressed air from Lowe's, and I'm going to blow the dust out of it. Then I'm going to take a water hose and hose it down in there. So let's see how it works out. So right here is what I got to blow it out. So let's blow it out and see if that helps any. I know you're thinking, well, what are you spraying water in it for? How's it going to drain? Well, the AC has a drain. See the water dripping out? That's where I sprayed water in it. So let's continue spraying some more. Okay, so I cleaned the edges. Now I got the trusted duct tape, and I'm going to tape it back up right there. You can see I'm not a very good aim. I missed it and sprayed myself in the process. But that's not bad. Look at all the dust in there. This is crazy. Okay, so I got it taped back up. Let's see if we got any better airflow now. Well, I had pretty good pressure with the air, but I couldn't get all the condenser coil cleaned. So I cut another hole down below so I get the bottom half of the condenser. And now I'll show you what it does. I think it's a lot better, but we'll see in just a second. Okay, so I got the truck back running. Let's see what it looks like now. Same napkin, put it up there. You can see how much better it is. Oh yeah, that's blowing like a champ right there. So that was an easy fix. And it worked really good. It's blowing good and cold now. So hey, I think we're in business. Okay, now to put the glove box back in, you just do the same thing. Put it back up there, push that in, and you're done. Put everything back in there, and call it a day. This is a before and after picture with the AC. The big picture is before, and the one down in the bottom right hand corner is after. See how big a difference it is? Well, I'll tell you my thoughts on it. Number one, don't get the can of condensed air to spray it, because it don't really help. Now, if you had a big compressor with a nozzle on it, that'd probably work pretty good, but the can was a waste of $10. So just drill the holes and spray it down with the water hose. Anyhow, I hope you got some use out of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.